The discovery of fire is considered as one of mankind's most important advances, allowing higher hominids to ward off wild animals, cook food, and control their own source of light and warmth. It has played a vital role in the development of civilization. But once out of control, fire has led to catastrophic disasters. One has no time to gather valuables or make phone calls. In a few seconds, it can become life-threatening. In a few minutes, a residence or an industrial complex can be engulfed in flame. Welcome to the world of KANEX, a name synonymous with firefighting equipment, and is committed to live up to its constant endeavor of saving fellow citizens from the devastating effects of the devil called fire. KANEX is an ISO 9001-2000 certified company with its quality standards approved by TÜV Nord, Germany, and products approved by BAS. The company's undying commitment has ensured that its products prove to be the most authentic in the world of firefighting equipment. KANEX has its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located at Bhavnagar, Gujarat, which is equipped with the best industrial machinery and laced with latest international fire safety technology. At KANEX, the manufacturing process is divided into segments like procurement, stores and dispatch, production and quality assurance and control. It has always ensured that the purchased raw material conforms to the specified purchase requirements. At this stage, the raw material's physical and chemical properties are verified as per standard requirements at well-equipped and government-approved labs. QC, that is, quality control engineers, inspect and test the material using duly calibrated testing and measuring instruments before the raw material moves to the further process. Records and documents are prepared and maintained for continuity and comparison. The non-conforming products are thereby rejected. All the materials are preserved in stores and distributed in different zones like material under inspection, material inspected, conforming material and non-conforming or rejected material. The cylinders of high pressure and low pressure fire extinguishers are made of manganese and MS respectively, of the type or grade specified in the standard. The mother sheet is cut in designs and desired sizes in sheet cutting machines. The sheet is deep drawn in drawn machine for single piece cylinder, and in case of high pressure extinguishers, it's put through hot spinning and heat treatment process. KANEX has a well-organized welding department headed by qualified engineers. The facility also contains substantial numbers of rectifiers, transformers, MIG welding machines, and automatic fixtures to undertake high volume requirements. Our welding process specifications are approved by Tata Project. We produce fire extinguishers as per applicable standards IS 2825. The welded bodies are hydraulically tested at an internal pressure of 30 kg per cm2 and are randomly chosen for the burst test and the ultimate failure test. Precisely welded cylinders are thereafter taken to KANEX's state-of-the-art auto anti-corrosive treatment plant, which is equipped with a 7-tank hot phosphate treatment, giving better end results of powder coating. Empty cylinders are loaded into baskets and passed through one by one different processes like pickling, where iron oxides are removed, degreasing, where grease oil is removed, carbonaceous deposits are removed from the ferrous surface. Derusting removes dust, oxides, smut and scale from the surface. The activation tank makes material active for the phosphate treatment. At the phosphate tank, the layer of phosphate coating is produced to serve as an excellent base of powder coating. A specially developed solution for passivation is for the post-rinse after phosphate treatment. This seals the pores of the phosphate coat and reduces the paint blistering under humid conditions and increases paint adhesion. This automation process increases the life of the fire extinguisher and helps to produce consistent material. QC engineers follow the process at every step to inspect the thickness of the cylinders by a high-precision digital coat meter. KANEX has its own powder coating unit, which has an advanced efficiency of powder coating, powered by an internal and external coating reciprocator. Some of the advantages of these are an increased uniformity and consistency of powder coating, a smooth, swift and precise movement of speedy and uniform coating. It reduces powder consumption and curls in ovens at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Whereas in case of CO2 fire extinguishers, cylinders are painted in a specially designed liquid painting booths, which is environmentally friendly and is safe for human inhalation. After assembling CO2 brass forged discharge wells, extinguishers are taken to the in-house facility of CO2 gas filling, which meets the requirements of IS 15222. KANEX also has an automatic powder filling as well as nitrogen filling stations for consistent, accurate and uniform filling. KANEX tests each extinguisher in a helium leak detector, and each extinguisher passes through a vacuum chamber in case of having a high leak rate that is greater than 10E-6 millibar liter per second. Only when the authenticity of an extinguisher is confirmed, it proceeds for the final packing and dispatch. Very few Indian companies are equipped with this facility to avoid complaints of pressure drop. The final inspection is done by our quality control staff. Duly checked extinguishers are randomly chosen for the performance test and fire extinguishing test to achieve the highest fire rating as per New Indian Standard IS 15683-2006. Once their class is rated, the extinguishers are labeled and permanently marked as per specific standard requirements. Extinguishers are then packed in specially designed packing materials and then dispatched to the client's place. Such technical precision is rare to find. No wonder KANEX has turned out to be one of the most trusted weapons for fighting fires of all types.